Hello, myself Ajitesh from Try Travi. Today I'm going to show you how you can book your cruise tickets for your Andaman trip at a very best price. Open your Chrome, type trytrabby.com. Once the website is open, on the booking tab, hover your cursor, click on Ferry One Way, drag down, select your sector like Port Blair to Havelock, date on 10 December, select how many people are traveling like 2 and hit the search button. Drag down. You will be seeing a different cruise options at a different times. So select cruise and time according to your budget and itinerary. So I'm gonna select Nautica 7:30 a.m. Click on book ferry. Drag down. Nautica is providing two types of seat categories. The first one is luxury and the second one is royal. So I'm gonna select luxury and click on continue booking. Drag down a little bit. Cross check your traveling information like ferry name, sector from Port Blair to Havelock on 10th of December, 2 adults, 7:30 a.m. departure, 8:45 a.m. arrival. Luxury seats for 2 adults. Drop down a little bit. Fill the traveler information. Ignore this offer. Fill the passenger details. If you have any special request, you can type on like then click on pay now. So this is your payment gateway page. So the booking will be live for only 5 minutes. So you have to be very quick. Just pay. Click the confirm pay now button. You'll be having a different kinds of payment methods via UPI, Google Pay, Phone Pay, various cards like Visa, MasterCard, RuPay and Maestro, net banking, any type of wallet. Just you have to select any one of these, fill the details and click the pay now button. Instantly you will get your tickets via email. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and in the contact number given in the description will help you out. Thank you.